To play a Kahoot quiz, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to interact with the system. The screen on the left is that's going to be displayed by the instructor. The screen on the right is your screen, whether that's on your mobile device or on a browser on your desktop. To enter the game, you simply type in a game pin, like so, and then you create a screen name for yourself. You could be Star-Lord, or you could be Rocket, doesn't matter who you want to be. Click OK. Your name appears over there in the game, and when the instructor's ready, he will start the game. Now the questions will appear on the instructor's screen, and then several options will appear also that you match up to the symbol and color on your screen in order to submit your answer, like so. And then notice it gets scored, and the instructor moves on to the next question. Again, another question will come up. You read the question on the instructor's screen, and then from the available options, you pick the correct one on your screen, and that's how the scoring takes place. We hope you enjoy your quiz.